Do you like the challenge of working with complex systems and solving problems? Do you like working with your hands? Ditch a dull job and check out what a career as an industrial maintenance mechanic can offer. Whether you start your education on the job through apprenticeship or through trade school, your wages will be competitive, and you'll find job security while developing skills that are sought by a wide range of employers. Industrial machinery mechanics repair, maintain, and adjust the systems and machines important to the manufacturing process. This role is crucial to most manufacturing companies, whether it's in pneumatics, hydraulics, rigging, machining, or plumbing. A maintenance mechanic's fulfilling work is never done. Every day is new. There will always be a different machine to repair or maintain.
A lot of equipment that has to be repaired, so it's a full-time job.
Troubleshooting and problem solving are essential in ensuring that repairs and maintenance are completed on time and with the highest quality.
When it's slow, we know we're doing our job correct.
If you are detail-oriented, enjoy troubleshooting, and find satisfaction in having a vital role within a team, explore a career in manufacturing as an industrial maintenance mechanic. Learn more by visiting forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.